What is up, YouTube? It has been a while since I have recorded. In this video, I'm going to show you ways that you can make your protein powder into food. So it's going to be pretty beneficial, especially when you're in your cut. You don't want to be drinking calories because that way you can get more volume out of your food and stuff. Honestly, it just makes you feel hungry the rest of the day. It doesn't fill you up, so that's why a lot of people are against like drinking protein powders, which honestly I am too, but if you make it into food, it's okay. So this video is going to show you how to do that in a couple different ways. And while we're doing all of that, I'm going to be taking you throughout my day. Today is chest day, so it is an awesome day, and it's Monday. And look how nice it is outside. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. So I'm actually going to get started by showing you guys the first thing, how to make your protein powders into some food. The first thing, I'm sure many of you have heard about this. It's protein fluff, but if you haven't, this is definitely an awesome thing to have when you're doing a cutting diet. The very first thing you need is Xanthan Gum. And then the next thing you need, obviously, is a protein powder of your choice. And that is literally it. So you want to throw that into a blender, and I'll show you guys exactly how this all works, and you'll be amazed. So before you put the Xanthan Gum and the protein powder into the blender, make sure you put about 5 ice cubes in there. That way it makes it feel like an ice cream kind of texture. And then once you put the powders in there, make sure you put a little bit of water. I'll show you about the amount of water that you need for this. And also another good tip, make sure you get a good blender. This blender kind of sucks, so it isn't going to make it as thick as it possibly could. But if you have a really good blender, it makes it really thick and it adds a lot of volume. So if you have a really good blender, you're in luck. Alright, so here is the consistency of this fluff. It is literally like fluff. This is the protein powder and xanthan gum together and ice cubes and water. This whole thing is only 147 calories exactly. So definitely a huge hack. So this stuff is literally awesome. Now, like I said, if you have a good blender, your blender will make this a lot thicker and add a lot more volume to it. So especially if you have a good blender, this recipe is really awesome. It's still a good amount of volume. The great thing about this stuff is it fills you up. And at 147 calories, I will definitely take that. And it's better than just drinking it, too. So it tastes like your protein, so just choose what protein powder you want to use. And it's that easy. You literally just throw it in a blender, and that is it. So, yeah, stop drinking your protein powders and then make some protein fluff. It's better. Alright, so we're just now getting home. I'm not going to lie, I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to be showing my chest workout. This week, if you are part of my Rise for the Summer programs, you know how bad this is. But we're doing 10 sets of 10 on all the compound lifts. So I think it was Saturday I did 10 sets of 10 with squats with 315. My legs are still killing me. It is absolutely terrible. But well, obviously it's going to hurt because it's the second day after. But today is 10 sets of 10 with bench, which isn't going to be fun either. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try to record a lot of my workout. I did get a new tripod, so that'll be pretty helpful. I do have to also go grocery shopping tonight, so I guess I'll be showing you some of the stuff I get on the regular when I go grocery shopping. So pretty fun. And the last thing, I'm obviously going to show you another recipe that you can use for protein that you can make into food instead of just drinking them. So keep watching. What is up, guys? I'm back from the grocery store, so I decided I wanted to show you guys what I usually get from the grocery store every week. Chicken breasts, I get 2 packages every time. I usually get it around 4.5 pounds, so I get around 9 pounds of chicken every week. And then I always get this rice cauliflower, so instead of oatmeal, I use this rice cauliflower now. I don't know if it'll focus, but 25 calories per 82 grams, so 80 grams of oatmeal is 300 calories, so I just load it up on volume of this stuff. So when I make my oatmeal things, I'm actually using this rice cauliflower stuff because it just provides a lot more volume and it fills me up, and it has a lot of fiber as well, which is another benefit. Fiber always helps fill up. Okay, also I got these blueberries and strawberries. I bought them fresh. I know they're more expensive that way, but I kind of hate having to wait for them to not be frozen. So And I really got I really like these Laughing Cow cheeses. I haven't tried this one yet. This is the garlic and herb one. I like the pepper jack one, so I'm guessing I'll like this one as well. Next thing is a bunch of carbonated water and then a Powerade Zero. I used to drink these all the time, so I decided to get one of those. But the carbonated waters have been saving me. And I did get some graham crackers because I'm going to be making like a s'mores cheesecake wrap thing. Don't even ask me. It was like more of an impulse buy, so yeah. And then I always get these sugar-free, fat-free Jell-O pudding mixes. These things are amazing. 25, or this one's 20 calories per serving. This cheesecake one's 25. I've been on a real like big cheesecake fruit bowl thing lately. I always put a serving of this in there, and then throw some blueberries and strawberries in there. It's amazing. And I did buy some apple pie spice. Never tried this before, but I'm gonna start putting this in my oatmeal recipes. Some butter Pam spray, some liquid egg whites, that's a huge staple in my diet, and these lavish breads, which I am addicted to now because I probably have one a day, honestly. And the macros in these things are absolutely insane. So it's 120 calories per giant. I don't know if you guys can tell how big this actually is, but it is a huge piece of bread here. But it's 120 calories per giant piece of bread here, so 16 grams of carbs, 10 grams of protein, and only 3 grams of fat, which these things are amazing. I always make some like egg whites, put a bunch of omelet type stuff in there, and then wrap it up with this, and then put it in the oven for like 10 minutes, and it like bakes this bread. Dude, it is amazing. I might have to do a video where I make this, so you guys can see how amazing that really is. But yeah, this is it. This is actually kind of a small grocery haul, I would say, for me. I usually get a lot more. Alright, so it was finally time to get ready to go work out. So we're going to have a little bit of a pre-workout meal. So what is the best thing to have for pre-workout meal? It's freaking pancakes. So this is a pancake batter that I made. I found this recipe online, but this is the ingredients that you need. So instead of drinking your protein powders, use it for pancakes. So 1 scoop of protein powder, like 7 grams of coconut flour, a 1/4 cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, and a 1/2 cup of liquid egg whites. And then you just throw it in this bowl, mix it around. I did throw in some cinnamon too, obviously. And yeah, that's it. So you're about to see the magic of this happen in a couple seconds here. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. There are the pancakes. I was going to make a bunch of small ones, but I kind of got impatient, so I just made one big one and one small one. I topped it with some Walden Farms syrup, and then we are good to go. Just like pancakes. So that's all the ingredients you need that I showed before, and that is it. So I'm going to be enjoying this. This is very low carb as well, which is also a plus. So low carb pancakes, about as low as carbs you can get, and high protein, so pretty awesome. just now getting back from the gym. I don't know what it is, but there's something about working out really late. Like it makes me feel really good. I don't know what it is about it, but I had an awesome workout. I really enjoyed it. Chest day, that 10 sets of 10. I did it with 205. It wasn't too bad. The last like 4 sets, I only showed you guys from like my 6th set to my 10th set, I think. But my last 4 sets that I've showed you, those were starting to get really difficult at 8, and I was like, oh no. Right. But I mean, I finished every single set. It wasn't bad. I got a nice chest pump. It was pretty good with that. But yeah, it was an awesome workout. Really enjoy working out late. It kind of just gets you away from the world, and like you can just kind of focus on yourself. I think that's why I kind of like that. So all right, but now I still have 900 calories left for tonight. I saved a lot, and it is almost 10 o'clock. So pretty excited. It was an awesome day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have protein powder left and you guys want to try out those recipes, I will leave those ingredients that you need for each one of those. For the protein fluff and the pancakes, I'll leave them down below. And yeah, I mean, it's so much better than just drinking it, because drinking calories, honestly, especially when you're on a caloric deficit, when you're bulking, it doesn't matter, obviously. When you're on a caloric deficit, you want to cherish your calories as much as possible, pretty much. So just making like protein powders into like protein fluff, adding a lot of volume and actually filling you up, it's a huge hack for dieting. And same thing with the pancakes. If you have no carbs left for the day and you're like craving pancakes or something, you can literally make it with that protein powder. I think there's like 4 carbs in those protein pancakes that I showed you earlier. So yeah, definitely give it a try. If you found this video helpful, or if you liked it at all, please give it a like and subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.